Hello everyone, I'm here with a quick review. So by now you should have seen my Cleancult dish soap in the lemongrass. So today I am reviewing the Cleancult Laundry Detergent refill, and it's in the sweet honeysuckle, and this is for your laundry. So they have a container that you can pour it in, and you can buy that separately. But I didn't do that because, this was my first time trying this laundry detergent. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So as you saw in my other review of the dish soap, I didn't really care for it that much. But let me tell you, y'all, I actually like the laundry detergent. Let me tell you why. Okay, so when you're using this, even though I love suds, you will not see no suds. The water will turn a little like white or cloudy. And my clothes came out very clean with this. I didn't feel a greasy residue on my clothes like the dish soap I felt on my dishes. It smells good. It has that herbal smell, and it smells so good. What I liked so much about this is when my clothes was rinsing, the water was clear. You could tell that all of this product was out of my clothes. And I line dried my clothes, and they came out really well. I like this a lot. I will definitely be buying it again. This is the 16th ounce. So like I said, these are really refills, but you can pour it right out the box like I did, or put it in one of your containers that you already have. Okay, because I wasn't going to buy anything extra. So if you see this at your CVS, if you see it at Walmart, if you see it at Target, pick some up, try it for yourself. Leave the comments below. Let me know how much you liked it or whether you didn't like it. That's the end of my review of the Cleancult Laundry Detergent in refill. And it's in the sweet honeysuckle. They have different varieties. Try them, y'all, and see whether you like it or not. Hey, have a good day.